All right, happy Friday, guys. Today is the last day we're going to just work on this 2 by 2 digit multiplication. I'm going to show you several ways today that you can do it. Really, you get to choose. If you want to do the area model for every problem today on your homework, do the area model. If you want to just multiply the standard algorithm, which I'm going to do today and show you, then you can do it that way, okay? So all the problems on your homework today just want you to find the answer. They're not asking for what you multiply together. They're wanting the answer. So you can do it however you'd like to do it. For teaching sake today, since I've done 2 days of partial products, I'm going to work every example today just using the standard algorithm. Even if the directions don't tell us to, I want you to see the examples worked using the standard algorithm today. So I'm going to work these out the standard algorithm way. If you want to do the area model for your homework, that's fine with me. I just want you to be able to get the right answer, whichever strategy you use. So let's take this first problem. And we've got 54 and 20 and a 3. Of course, that's 23. And the problem tells us 23 times 54. So if we're going to use the standard algorithm, here's how it works. Here's how it works. All right. First, we start with the ones place. So we're going to multiply 54 times the 3 in the ones place, which is what this box is showing you right here, actually. 3 times 4 is 12. We put our 2 down and we carry our 1 over here because 12, that's 1 10 and 2 1. So we put that 1 up in the tens place. And then we do 3 times 5 is 15. But we've got 1 more, so that makes it 16. And we've already used that 1, so we're going to mark it out. Now, we multiplied 54 times 3. You don't have to do this box, but I just want to show you, which is 3 times 54, it's 162. Now we're going to do 20 times 54. And I want to show you something that you can do. It's kind of fun. I call it the magic zero, because it helps me remember that I'm not multiplying by 2, I'm multiplying by 20. And since 20 has that 0 at the end of it, you can just put that 0 in the ones place. I'm using the green one just to show you. That reminds me, okay, Mr. Helton, I'm not multiplying by 2 in the ones place, I'm scooting over to the tens place now. So I'll put that 0 there to remind me of that. Okay, and then I multiply 54 times 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. And then I add it together. So 20 times 54, it's what this box shows right here, is 1,080. You don't have to do this. I'm just showing you what that box represents. Okay, and then when we add these two together, 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 8 is 14. We put our 4 down, carry our 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 0 is 2, and we only have a 1 in the thousands place. So our answer is 1,242. All right, let's work the next one out. This one, we've got 54 and 40 and a 6, which is 46. Okay. First thing we're going to do is multiply the ones place times 54. 6 times 54. 6 times 4 is 24. Put our 4 down and put our 2 up in the tens place. 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 2 more would be 32. I'm going to mark the 2 out because I've already used it. And then I'm going to put that magic 0 down to remind me to scoot over. Okay. And then I move over to the tens place. Oh, let's show what this represents. 324, that's what 6 times 54 was, 324. Now we're going to do 40 times 54. So I'm scooting over to the 4, which is 40. That's why I put my magic 0 there. 4 times 4 is 16. Put my 6 down. Take my 1 over here. 4 times 5 is 20. Plus that 1 is 21. And then we've got these two partial products. So 40 times 54 is 2,160. Then we just add them together. 4 times 0 is 4. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. Nothing plus 2 is 2. So our answer is 2,484. All right. So standard algorithm, partial products, same thing pretty much. All right. So we'll work one more having this box model, and then we'll just work some other ways. So we've got 55 times 47. We'll just write it over here. 55 times 47. Okay, so if we're going to write it like this, we could do 55, 7 times 40, just like that. Okay, so let's do the standard algorithm. 7 times 5 is 35. I put my 5 down, put my 2 over in the tens place. 7 times 5 is still 35, plus 3 more would be 38. And I just like to mark off that once I've added it so I don't add it again. So 7 times 55 is 385. Now we've got to do 40 times 55. So I'm going to put my magic 0 down and my green magic 0 to remind me I'm not multiplying by 4, but by 40. 4 times 5 is 20. I keep thinking stray marks today. Put our 0 down and our 2 up here. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 is 22. So 40 times 55 is 2,200. We're going to add these two partial products together to get our answer. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. Nothing plus 2 is 2. So our answer is 2,585. You getting it? Yeah. The next one, we don't have the box, so you can do it however you want to. Partial products, since it says to use partial products, let's just review one more time how to do the area model. We draw our box with 4 boxes. Break apart 58. We'll break it into a 50 and an 8. We'll break apart 45 and do a 40 and a 5. So you could do this area model. You could do 58 times 45. You're going to get the same answer either way. But we'll just review it this way this time. 50 times 40, 5 times 4 is 20. We add the 2 zeros, so it's 2,000. 50 times 5, 5 times 5 is 25. Add the 0. 8 times 40, 8 times 4 is 32. Add the 0. 8 times 5 is 40. So the only thing, if you do the area model, then once you've multiplied all that, then you got to add them all up, don't you? So you got 2,000 plus 250 plus 320 plus 40. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. Plus 4 is 11. Put our 1 down. Carry our 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 in the thousands place. So the answer is 2,610. Okay. Let me work that out just over here just to show you. We get the same answer. 5 times 8 is 40. Put our 0 down, carry our 4. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 4 is 29. I'm going to put my magic 0 down and move over to the tens place. Oops, I forgot to mark that out. 4 times 8 is 32. Put our 2 down and carry our 3. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 3 is 23. And when we add, 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 2 is 11. Put our 1 down, carry our 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. And 2,610. Same answer. So you can do it either way, and you'll get the same answer, okay? All right, last one I'm going to work for you today. This is just this standard algorithm. Again, on your homework, if you want to use the area model, that's fine with me. If you want to do the standard algorithm to practice, that's fine with me too. This one asks us to do the standard algorithm, so we're going to do 82 times 55. So here we go. 5 times 2 is 10. Put our 0 down. And put our 1 in the tens place. 5 times 4 is 40. 5 times 8 is 40, sorry. Plus 1 is 41. Okay, use that. So I'm going to mark it out. Put my magic 0 down and move over to the tens place now. 5 times 2 is 10. Put my 0 down. Carry my 1. 5 times 8 is 40. Plus 1 is 41. Hey, look what happened. 410, 4,100. Why is that? Because we multiplied by 5 both times, but this time we were multiplying by 5 in the ones place. And what happens when you move one place to the left? You multiply it by 10. That's why we put that 0 there. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Nothing plus 4 is 4. So the answer is 4,510. All right, guys. So you can either use today as you do your math. You can use the area model if that's how you like to do it best. You can use the standard algorithm. All the answers, all your homework is going to ask for today is the correct answer. So you find that correct answer whichever way you like doing it, okay? All right, go get it done.